Hello viewers, welcome back to Iha Designs. Here in-house production pure muslin digital printed A-line top and A-line frock frock because back belt the shape frock style style frock A-line top pure muslin digital and this is a designer digital prints use orange and yellow print ready for dispatch. Try first one is orange and yellow. Next one is geometrical type of abstract type of printing pattern. Designer print puff sleeves gather sleeve pure muslin richness. This fabric this video maybe the rayon or cotton. It's not rayon or cotton, it's pure muslin. Ready for dispatch. Try in different shades rare because everything frock pattern. Next one is green, beautiful green tone. Close shot. Akka designer print and stylish pattern. Blue. Comfy pure muslin soft fabric. Finally, the mixed type of print. 3 shades ready for dispatch. Try. Thank you.